Hey guys, it's Candy coming with another video, guys. I am super nervous about today's look. Why? Because it's something quite out of my comfort zone, but guess what? We are not backing down. All right, so today I'm attempting the boho mohawk. Yes, that's hairstyle that has been trending somewhat, and I definitely went ahead and just parted off two sections in the middle, yeah, from front to back. And then in those two sections, I'm gonna just be doing rows of boho braids. On boho braids, you're just braiding the hair and adding pieces of hair until you get the desired length. Also, you're adding pieces of curly hair. The curly hair that I'm using is from Outre, their deep wave hair. I will leave all of the links to the hair down below for you guys so that you can get your hands on it if you want to use the same hair. All right, so we're just continuing to do our braids, and you're gonna braid it until you get to the very end. And this is what the first braid looks like, and we're just continuing to do the same thing all the way up. Now, first mistake, or I don't know if you would call it a mistake, but the first thing that I would do differently is that I believe I would make these boxes a little bit smaller next time, at least for her particular look. Yeah, I would go a little bit smaller with the boxes, but it still turned out pretty good. So yeah, here you see me pinning off the first piece of curl, and then I'm just continuing to braid down, and I am doing the knotless method. This is another piece of curl. And guys, you want to go ahead and make sure that you add enough curl for this look. Why? Because the volume of the curls is what's going to give it that illusion full boho braids look. So yeah, the style is intended to wear as a mohawk, but it's also intended to, give the illusion like you have a full head of boho braids. So that's the first thing I mentioned that I would do, is do a little bit smaller boxes. Anyway, now so we're going on to the sides, and the sides will be done with some braids. This is another thing that's outside of my comfort zone. For some reason, even though braids are so basic, for some reason I do shy away from doing them just because I don't think I do the best or the neatest or the most creative braids ever. Yeah, I can do the basic braids, but nothing fancy, none of those nice designs that you might see out there. And so I did, use an inspiration photo to try to recreate today's look. And so you guys, you'll be the judge. For a first time, stepping outside of the mundane and the regular basic braid. Yeah, let me know if I you did it any justice. All right, so I am doing the first cornrow or the first braid on the side, and I just did an angular part, braid it upwards towards where that mohawk section is, and doing the same step with adding the curls, pinning them off, continuing to braid, and such the like. And regardless of the length of your hair, you want to still go ahead and add the braiding hair, just because you want to make sure that you have enough length to get it to that waist length position, and also to make sure that you have enough length to add the curls on. Remember, you're trying to add a lot of curls, so you have to make sure that you have the length of hair to add the desired amount of curls. 2 packs of braiding hair should be sufficient for this look, as well as 1 pack of curly hair. But I would say get 2 packs of curly hair just to be safe. And again, you can add more curls. The sky is the limit as far as how much curls you add. So just, safely get 2 packs, and you should be, in business, good to go. All right. So once I am done braiding this section of hair, though, I go ahead and start the other half. Yeah, I did separate the side, this side, into 2 halves, and I did the first half. Now I am starting the second half, going in a downward direction with this braid. And then once I get to that the end of that braid, then I'm gonna curve it and go in the opposite direction, going again towards that ending point, which is the point where the mohawk is positioned. All right. So that is the whole gist of the style. You want to make sure that all those cornrow braids end up towards the middle, and that will also help to create a lot more volume in terms of the curls. So those 2 rows that I initially made, yes, those don't have sufficient braids and curls to create the look that we're going for, but these additional cornrows will help to add the volume. Yeah, so I'm done with one side, guys. How did it turn out? I was so surprised that it didn't look too shabby at all, right? All right, so now on the other side, I'm just mirroring or trying my best to mirror exactly what is on the first side, trying to make it as symmetrical as possible. Of course, these are going to be sisters, definitely not twins. All right. All right, so once I'm done, I am just putting perm rods on the ends of the braiding hair. Yes. And I also pin off the curls so as not to dip them in the hot water. That's my preference, but most human hair can be dipped in hot water. All right, guys, so moment of truth. So this is how it turned out. And when you flip it, you can see you have that nice versatility, yeah, to style the hair either in the center as a mohawk on one side for that cascading look. This is the centered mohawk, traditional mohawk vibe, but you can definitely either do it to one side of the shoulder or the other side of the shoulder, or you can just part it down the middle and have some on each shoulder for, you know, that full boho braid look. Yeah. So guys, this is my first attempt. Don't do me dirty. Yes, don't do me dirty on this one. I tried. It's my first attempt, and I promise if I get other opportunities, I will be better. So as you can see in it's not terrible, but I believe that those boxes in the middle should be a little bit closer. What do you guys think? And I did experiment with a little half up, half down look. You can style it in different ways, high bun, etc., etc. But this is pretty much the whole vibe. Thank you guys for rocking with me. Thank you for watching Natural Hair Dynamics, and sound off in the comment and let me know how do you rate this 1 to 10. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.